Minasan, konnichiwa, jamu desu, and welcome to Ikari Japanese online class. So for today's lesson, ay pag-aaralan natin ang lesson 15 ng ating grammar discussion. Are you ready? Dewa hajimemashou. Okay, so we're gonna start from the first grammar form, verb te mo I desu. Okay, so we already know the verb te form in our last lesson. Now we will gonna start again to using another sentence pattern using the verb te in this verb te mo I desu. Okay, so this sentence pattern means that you may do verb. Pwede mong gawin si verb. Okay, so this expression is to grant permission. Okay, pinapayagan kang gawin ang isang bagay. For example, you may take a picture here. Okay, you may take a picture here. So picture is take is torimasu. Okay, so since our verb here is to take, which is torimasu in Japanese, so that make totte and you add mo. Okay, so that makes the sentence as koko de shashin wo totte mo ii desu. Okay? Pwede kang mag-picture dito. Another one, okay, now to ask permission, the question form of this sentence is used. Okay, so kung magtatanong ka kung pwede bang gawin ito, or kung pwede bang gawin ang isang verb, so you use this sentence pattern. For example, is it okay to smoke here? Okay, koko de tabako sutte mo ii desu ka? Koko de tabako wo sutte mo ii desu ka? Okay lang bang manigarilyo dito? Okay, so that was the sentence mean. In answering or how to answer such question using the same sentence pattern is as follows. Okay, so but note that an euphemistic answer is given when permission is not granted. Just like this example. Can I have this flower? Kono hana o moratte mo ii desu ka? Okay, if the answer is yes, ii desu yo, dozo. That means yes, sure, go ahead. And if the answer is negative is sumimasen, chotto. Okay, sumimasen, chotto is used to say or if you decline that permission. Kung ayaw mong gawin niya yung isang bagay. Okay? Next is verb tewa ikimasen. Verb tewa ikimasen is the opposite of verb temo ii desu. Okay? So, this is you must not do. Okay? Huwag mong gawin ang bagay, ang verb na ito. Okay? So, this pattern is used to express prohibition. Okay? Bawal mong gawin si verb. Verb tewa ikimasen. Just like an example here. Because it's no smoking, you must not smoke here. Koko de tabako tewa ikimasen ken desu kara. Okay? Because it's no smoking, you must not smoke here. Koko de tabako sutte wa ikimasen ken desu kara. Kenin is no smoking. Okay? Another, when you strongly wish to refuse permission to questions using the expression verb temo ii desu ka, you answer ie ikimasen omitting verb tewa. Okay? So, pwede mo din gamitin si ie ikimasen to decline an negative answer for the verb temo ii desu ka. Okay? So, but this expression cannot be used by inferior to a superior. So, hindi mo pwedeng gawin sa mga nakakaangat sa'yo in a position or older than you or superior in your company. Okay? Okay, for example, can I have this flower? Kono hana wo motte mo ii desu ka? Ie, ikimasen. No, you can't. Okay? So, ganun lang. It's directly said na hindi. Teacher, is it okay to play here? Sensei, koko de asonde mo ii desu ka? Sensei, koko de asonde mo ii desu ka? Iie, ikimasen. No, you can't. Okay? So, ganun lang siya. Means, hindi mo pwedeng gawin ang isang bagay directly and precisely refusing the permission. Okay? Next, verb te imasu. Okay? So, in addition to the usage of verb te imasu that you learned in lesson 14, it is also used to describing a certain continuing stage which resulted from a certain action in the past. Okay? So, aside from, you've learned in the lesson 14 that verb tense is currently doing verb, it could also used to describe a certain continuing state. Pwede mo siyang gamitin sa hanggang ngayon ginagawa mo pa or hanggang ngayon or into that action in the past. Okay? So, mutemasu means beholding and possess as well. For example, here, watashi wa kikon shite imasu. Okay? As I said, shite imasu will be continuing state. Although it happened in the past, but still married ka pa rin ngayon, so you are still on that marriage state. Okay? So that would be kikon shite imasu. Another, watashi wa Tanaka-san wo shite imasu. I know Tanaka-san. Okay? So you know each other even since you were a child, but since you still know each other right now, so it's still continuing, nakilala mo pa rin si Tanaka-san, so shite imasu is used. Okay? Another, watashi wa Osaka ni sunde imasu. Okay? Watashi wa Osaka ni sunde imasu. I've been living in Osaka. So it's present continuous tense, which means nakatira ka pa din sa Osaka hanggang ngayon. Okay? Although the action happens in the past few years, but still until now. Okay? And last, watashi wa kamera o motte imasu. Watashi wa kamera o motte imasu. As I said, motte imasu means possess as well. Meron ka nung isang bagay. So, pwede mo din gamitin siya. Motte imasu. Okay? So, sinasabi mo, meron ka ng camera na yun. Until now. Okay? Verb tense is also used in describing an habitual action. That is, when the same action is repeatedly performed over a period of time. So, ginagamit din sa verb tense aside from currently doing or presently continuous tense, you also using this as for the habitual action. Pwede mo din siyang gamitin sa mga action na ginagawa mo paulit-ulit or halos araw-araw mong ginagawa. For example, o shigoto wa nan desu ka? What's your job? O shigoto wa nan desu ka? What's your job? Watashi wa nihongo o oshete imasu. Watashi wa nihongo o oshete imasu. I teach Japanese. Okay? So, since yung work mo, ginagawa mo siya every day, or mostly every day, so you can use, or you use verb te imasu. Okay? Another. IMC makes computer software. Okay. IMC wa computer softwareを使っています。Okay, another example. IMC makes computer software. IMC はコンピューターソフトウェアを作っています。Okay? So the company is still using or still making the computer software every day. So you verb te imasu. Another. I sell films at supermarkets. Okay, selling is one of kind of word, so you can use it or you use it. It's a kind of word that you do mostly every day. So you will say, Super de film o utte imasu. スーパーでフィルムを売っています。Okay? Next, Mr. Miller works for IMC. 皆さんは IMC で働いています。皆さんは IMC で働いています。Okay? Next, my sister is studying at university. My sister is studying at university. 妹は大学校で勉強しています。妹は大学校で勉強しています。Okay? So that is how you gonna use the verb temas when you are saying that this is an habitual things, or for example that you do it every day. Okay? So you can use it also for your hobbies if you do it every day, just like reading books or watching movies. Okay? Okay, next is shirimasen. This is the negative form of shite imasu. Okay? So always remember the negative form of shite imasu is not shite imasen but shirimasen. Just like an example here, 市役所の電話番号を知っていますか？市役所の電話番号を知っていますか？ Affirmative? はい、知っています。And negative is いいえ、知りません。いいえ、知りません。Okay, so always remember that there is no していません。But rather than saying that, you will say いいえ、知りません。Okay, that's the end for our lesson 15, and I hope that you know new grammar points this lesson. Okay, so see you again next time, 皆さん。頑張ってください。Goodbye.